In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dashboards for insights in Monday.com so you can turn your project data into clear, actionable reports in just a few minutes. Dashboards are one of the most powerful features inside Monday.com because they allow you to combine multiple boards, track performance in real time, and visualize progress without manually building reports. If you want better visibility across your projects, this is exactly what you need. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first step is to create a new dashboard. From your Monday.com workspace, click on the plus icon in the top menu, then select Add and choose New Dashboard. You'll be prompted to name your dashboard, so give it something clear and specific, like Project Insights or Team Performance Overview. Then choose Start from Scratch so you can fully customize it based on your needs. Next, you'll need to select which boards your dashboard should pull data from. This is extremely important because dashboards can combine multiple boards into one centralized view. For example, you might connect several project boards to see overall status across your entire department. When you add your first widget, Monday.com will prompt you to connect boards. Simply select the relevant boards and confirm. Now your dashboard is linked and ready to display live data. Now let's add widgets to generate insights. Click on the Add Widget button. You'll see a variety of options. One of the most popular choices is the Chart widget. This allows you to create bar charts, line charts, or pie charts to visualize trends and metrics. For example, you can track tasks by status, workload by team member, or completed tasks over time. Another powerful option is the Numbers widget. This widget is perfect for displaying totals, averages, or counts. You could show the total number of completed tasks, the sum of budget columns, or the average timeline duration. It's great for high-level KPIs. If you're managing projects with deadlines, consider adding a timeline or Gantt widget. These help you visualize schedules and dependencies across multiple boards. For progress tracking, the Battery widget is also very useful. It gives you a clean visual indicator of how much work is complete versus what's still pending. Once your widgets are added, the next step is to customize them. Click into any widget settings. Here you can choose which columns you want to analyze. For example, select the status column for progress tracking or a date column for time-based reporting. You can also apply filters within each widget. Filter by specific statuses, date ranges, or team members to narrow down exactly what you want to see. You can even switch between different visualization types to find the clearest way to present your data. In addition to widget-level filters, you can use dashboard-level filters. At the top right of the dashboard, click on Filter. From here, you can filter the entire dashboard by people, status, date range, or even specific boards. This is incredibly useful during meetings. For example, you can quickly filter by one team member to review their workload, or filter by a specific month to analyze performance. The data updates instantly across all connected widgets, giving you real-time insights. Now let's organize your dashboard layout. You can drag and drop widgets to rearrange them however you like. Resize widgets by pulling their corners to make the most important metrics more prominent. A clean layout makes your dashboard easier to read and more impactful during presentations. Think of it as designing your own control center. Finally, once your dashboard is ready, you can share it with others. Click the Share button in the top right. You can invite team members, add guests, or set view-only permissions depending on what level of access you want to provide. This makes dashboards perfect for leadership updates, client reporting, or internal team reviews. And that's it. You now know how to use dashboards for insights in Monday.com, from creating a dashboard and connecting boards to adding widgets, customizing filters, organizing layouts, and sharing with your team. When used correctly, dashboards give you a real-time snapshot of your entire workflow and help you make smarter decisions faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.